is Chef Pete, and we're back making air-fried fried chicken, because you know, sometimes you gotta have fried chicken. There's all kinds of ways. Everybody makes it differently. I'm doing it this way today. So first I have my half a chicken cut up in here, and I've got it in flour so that I can just take it from the flour that I've dredged it in here. I've got flour on it. And what I'm gonna do is just come over here to these two containers, and I am going to go right into my egg, get them right on my egg, and then right into my crumbs, just like this. And in my crumbs, I have some parsley, I have some salt, a little pepper, some garlic powder. I also have some paprika for a nice color and sweetness. And I've got some oregano. Look at this, beautiful. We're just making him beautifully. And we're gonna just get him in our egg and everything. And the egg helps to make things stick. So if you're making different things like chicken cutlets, the egg helps to make everything stick, right? Okay, so let's get this. And you know, you can make as much or as little as you like. I'm making just half a chicken, and I've cut it up here. Okay, there we go. And let's get this breast in here and this breast in here, just like this. We'll get them in and right back into our crumbs. And I'm using just Italian breadcrumbs today. You could use panko breadcrumbs if you like. You could use
Italian?
no crumbs if you like. Whatever you like. Alrighty? Okay, so I'm just gonna get this out of the way while Anthony shows you the pan over there. We have our pan, and that was our air fry oven, which is just heated up beautifully. It's ready to go. So in just a second, I need to get my fingers cleaned off here. We will continue on, because what we're going to do here, before we do anything else, is we are going to just get everything out of our way. All right, and come back over here. Here is our beautifully breaded chicken pieces, half a chicken. And what I need to do before I put this in our oven, and what I've done is I have our air fry oven at 440. You can make it 450 if you like, or 4 1/4. It just takes shorter time or longer time, but I want to get a nice crust on these. So I am going to spray them, because I took the skin off, remember? I'm going to spray them with olive oil here, just like this, before we go into our air fry oven. And about halfway through, we're gonna turn these over and give them a nice cook up, okay? All right, so there we have it. We're ready to go. And when we come back, we'll show you how these look when we take them out of the air fry oven. And you know, a simple dinner this is. You can just make a salad. You can make a side vegetable, you can make mashed potatoes or fried potatoes and a gravy, and you've got it covered. That's all there is to this, to make a beautiful air-fried chicken. Okay, so this is Pete. We'll see you back when we take this out after it is cooked today. So if you got that craving for fried chicken, make it the lower calorie way, like Chef Pete. So this is Pete, out.